Let's have some Cynful Mexican chicken soup tonight. Start with a pot of water. We're going to add salt, garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, and chili powder. Drop that old chicken in there. Just cover it up with that water. We're going to bring it to a boil and we're going to cook it covered until it basically falls apart. Strain the broth. Get all those excess bones and stuff out of there. Then we're going to return the broth to the pot and put it right back on the heat. Now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients except for the avocado, the sour cream, and the cheese. Everything else goes into the pool. There's some chicken broth, some picante sauce, some cilantro. Ignore the onions in there. This was actually made for tortilla soup, this video. So it's got the onions in there. We don't put that in there. We shred the chicken, put it back in the pot. Also ignore the corn and the beans. Again, made for the other channel. That's it. Nothing to it. Put your avocados in the bottom of the bowl, some cheese, put the soup over the top, a little more cheese and some sour cream. It's done. I'm going to give you the recipe in the description, but here's a look at it anyway. And here's the cool thing. Per serving, it's only 6 grams of net carbs. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.